to experience another culture?
No, honestly, I never try, but maybe one day I will try.
曼聯紅魔。
名宿蘭尼到一間中學與該校足球隊成員交流，切磋球技。
Football is about to enjoy, play with a smile, because when you have the smile on your face, everything is possible on the field.
我覺得非常之興奮啦，同開心啦，因為有一位曼聯嘅傳奇人物嚟咗我哋學校，佢教咗我哋好多傳波、攞波嘅技巧，我學到好多嘢。
好中意蘭尼啦，因為佢都係一個葡萄牙嘅名將，我都成日睇葡萄牙踢波，都有睇之前佢同費高佢哋踢波嘅片段，都覺得佢好勁。